Hi YouTube, I have a Honda 15 horsepower outboard and the idling speed is going a little low, so I'm going to show you how I fix that problem by making a little adjustment.
So you can see right there, this little spring with a screw on it, that is where it keeps the throttle at a certain position and idling. See, when I turn the throttle, you can see if I turn it, it opens up. So if you turn the screw clockwise and push the throttle out a little bit and hold it there, and that will give you a little higher idling speed. So we're going to try that and see what happens. And what I do is I'm going to just use a little screwdriver like that. Make sure it's long enough to access all the wires and get to that little pin right there. Like this. And so I'm going to change the angle and I'm going to turn the knob. So I'm going to get my screwdriver all the way in here. There's a little nut right there. And I'm going to turn it. If you can see, if I turn it counterclockwise and really slow down the engine. The engine is really slow, like to almost stalling. So if I turn it back clockwise, and the engine speed is going to go back up. So I'm going to get it to a good, like, smooth speed. See, if I turn this way, it goes up. It gets really fast. So I'm going back to the middle. Basically, you just want to do it until you are happy with the idling speed. It's not too low or not too high. So this is what you do. Okay, so one more thing I want to mention is that right for my engine on this side, there's a little screw right there, and that is the drain plug to drain the remaining gasoline in your engine after you shut off the engine. And all you do is just turn it a little halfway. Like that, you don't have to get the screw out, just halfway on one revolution, and then oh, it happened. So, and then the remaining gasoline is gonna drain out from here, and then it's gonna go down to the oil pan. So you do want to have an oil pan on the ground to catch all that stuff. And then afterwards, you just do just turn it the other way, clockwise, to close it, and then that's it. So yeah, so that's how I usually do when I get home from a trip. Flush the motor and drain the gasoline, and this time I did a little idling speed adjustment, because I was out on the lake and it was kind of running really low on RPM, and it shuts down on me a couple of times. So I have to do something to fix it. Okay, I got everything all taken care of, and I'm just gonna push it back to the backyard and get it ready for next time. So until then, I'll see you next time, and thanks for watching again.